Yo, what's up, everyone? Today is pretty exciting again. We've managed to secure a payout on the FTMO account. It wasn't without hurdles. As you can see, there's quite a bit of drawdown in there. So, yeah, without further ado, before I say please leaving a like, leaving a comment, leaving a sub, etc., everything is much appreciated. But without further ado, after that, let's get into the trade. So this is like one of the things is it's important to have like a nice risk reward ratio and stuff, risk management. So I've lost three trades or two basically, but I've won one, and with that one I secured the payout, so it paid for the two losses. So the first loss was a GBPJPY, and it was actually like, if I took it the other way, it would have been a massive trade. But I didn't see the pretty well respected area of interest. I basically went in after the bearish engulfing candlestick. I think that's basically why I entered. Yeah, you just saw it. But then, as you can see, if we just go on the 4-hour time frame, you see that's a pretty well respected area. Here you have multiple touches, one touch, touch, just another touch, and then here it just tests it really nicely after it breaking with a bullish engulfing, and then it tests with the 4-hour candlestick. It would have been like a really nice buy. It's really clean. Yeah, it's a potential really clean buy, but yeah, I went for a short. Um, don't really, it's not the best setup trade. Most of the time, like a lot of times, my first trade on accounts are bad, and then I have to fight my way back. I don't know what it is. Something in my head, I might want to make things more difficult than they are. This is the trade I'm actually in right now. Annoyingly, I'm in some drawdown. If it hits this TP, I will have another $500 or $600 payout on one of my accounts. But yeah, it's just it's fighting. But that's not the reason I'm showing it. It's because I took the loss here, I think. So I'm looking for a short like all the time here at the moment. Um, let's see. It's the USDCHF. It's a sell on yeah, 12 o'clock, around 12. So I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Um, let's see. So there's, why did I enter? Uh, Again, I don't think this is the best setup. I think I just entered after this hesitation, and basically the daily is like super bearish, as you can see, right? Like it's super bearish. The weekly is super bearish. So I just anticipated more bearish moves from this pair, and that's why I think I entered a little bit early on sometimes, um, with every little hesitation. I hope this time it's not the case. But yeah, we were in a, it was going nice, but right now it's just struggling. This 4-hour candlestick is looking not so nice. But let's get into the most important trade, because this is the winner that actually got me, I don't know, on like a personal account also like a nice little percentage, and on another funded account. So I secured like $600 in payouts, or 500 or something from this trade, over different accounts. So really happy with that. It's this trade. Basically, we're at basically I just noticed the 4-hour doji in combination with the rejection from the EMA. I just love working with the 4-hour time frame in combination with the EMA and just overall structure. As you can see, we're just here in, we're like just in bearish structure right now. This is just consolidation, then we have like a new low, and then I just anticipated a new lower high to create a new lower low. But as you can see, it didn't happen that clean, sadly. And I did enter early because, yeah, I don't know, I couldn't, a few reasons. I couldn't handle the profit I was in. Like on the FTMO, I was up on like $300 that I could secure, or euros. And with FTMO, if you secure your payout, you also get like your signing fee back. like the amount that you paid. So it's essentially then like a 400 euro payout because you get like the 90 euros back that I paid for the account. So I don't know, like my obviously I'm not trading the biggest accounts, right? I'm trading the 10k accounts. So I don't consider myself like a perfect trader yet. I'm building up the tolerance in order to manage higher capital, but I prefer to have like multiple smaller accounts than having one big account because now I can just sort of cycle through the accounts, cycle through payouts, and it just works well for me right now. And I will scale up. Like I'm doing like a 50k challenge now, but slowly and surely. I'm a massive supporter of not putting too much stress on yourself while trading because it's already stressful enough, right? So just work your way up, build up tolerance, and just go from there. That's at least what I do. So I got out here. In the end, it's a nice time to get out. As you can see, it's like still above that area. Um, let's see if there's anything special on the daily. Oh, can't even see it here. Basically, what happened on the daily is that I also expected it, like as soon as we saw it a rejection from like the previous high and also the previous day was bearish, it just looks very clean to go down, right? Like this candlestick just, it looks very clear to me at least that after this one and after this one will probably go down as well. And especially if you notice like a rejection around here on the lower time frames, it was just pretty clear to me. So yeah, but after this candlestick, like it's just such a massive rejection around that area again. But yeah, we did secure a payout through here. So we ended up getting like 527 dollars from it, or euros actually. So the total account size is up to 10,210. So I can collect the payout at the 18th, so in like 9 days. And I also requested like a coaching session or whatever. They do that apparently. If you have like a funded account, they have people that will sort of you can request if you want like a coaching sort of session. And for me, I'm like, well, all the knowledge, all the free knowledge is more than welcome, and I'm super interested in what they mention and stuff, and I will definitely learn something from it, and that I can maybe help and teach other people through here as well. So um, it's a nice little thing. Let me know if you're interested in yeah, in how that went and stuff. Let me know. So yeah, that's basically the video I wanted to make. Thank you for all the support so far on the, well, we've gotten a pretty nice views on the passing of the FTMO challenge. And the support on the channel has been pretty nice. I couldn't imagine, like I'm closing in on 100 subscribers, not yet there, but I mean, we'll get there if we just keep up this pace. And I don't know, that's a nice little milestone. So I'm super happy for the support that I've been getting lately. Um, yeah, I'm doing some free coaching. Yeah, I'm doing some free coaching. Again, I don't consider myself the best trader, but I do consider myself that a pretty okay trader, I would say. And I think I can help some people that are consistently losing. I think I can help them with some stuff. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Hit me up through the Discord or whatever. And again, all the support is very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching if you're still here. And I'll hopefully see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.